Since December 2018, I do have my DJI Osmo Pocket. Since 2 months, it's just in the corner and I haven't used it for a long time. And I was surprised that I still have 60% battery left on the DJI Osmo Pocket. But since the DJI Osmo Pocket was announced last year, I think it was something like 15th December or November 2018, and today I got the DJI microphone adapter. Wow! So I was waiting almost half a year to get that piece, and I have no idea why they didn't release it by the time they announced the DJI Osmo Pocket. Wow! And here's one thing, you can't use any other microphone adapter on your DJI Osmo Pocket since they have a driver. So the other parts don't work. I've tried several ones on Amazon for €3, for €5, and all of them didn't work. So make sure to get the correct one, which is this one. 2 months ago, I was looking on the DJI website when they just announced that part, and it's like shipping 7 days or 10 days. So great, just buy it and then it comes from Hong Kong or whatever. And then I saw, wow, €24 shipping. Why is it more than 50% shipping cost for such a small piece? And I promise you, the DJI driver doesn't get more if I pay €24. And if I go on Amazon and order something that comes from long haul, and it's still Prime, you know, I don't pay any extra. And this little piece just cost more than 50% of its value. And I mean, the value of this piece is probably like $1 or $2 anyways. So let's see how it works. Nothing here on the box, as you can see, just the code. Here's a little user guide, and here is my DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's run that thing. So here's that little dude. On one thing is the USB-C port. Here's nothing. On that side, the DJI logo. And here is the 3.5mm microphone adapter for all your external microphones. Hello, I'm the internal microphone of the DJI Osmo Pocket. If you're using the original DJI microphone adapter, it will be displayed on the DJI display once it's connected. Hello, I'm the external microphone, the Rode Video Mic Pro. Hallo, hallo! Hello, I'm the Rode Video Mic Micro. And I have a lot of hairs. Last but not least, I am the Rode Link. I am an external microphone, which is really close now to Daniel's mouth. And it seems to be that I'm working. Completely wireless for all the interviews you need. Hello, this is now a test if my voice is synchronized or not, because sometimes I have the impression that my voice was not synchronized at all. So let's make a cut here. If you have a DJI store in the area where you're living, phone is recording or not, I have the impression that sometimes when you start talking, the external microphone is not starting to record at the first time. As you hear, just a few moments ago, I was already talking and there was no voice recording at all. So make sure that you have the volume control on top once you start recording. Otherwise, you can see that you don't record any audio, and that might be really dangerous in a situation where you really require the audio. One big advantage of having the DJI Osmo Pocket is that it can track you. And if you're using the DJI Osmo Action or the GoPro Hero 7 and you would like to show your customer something, you always have to hold the camera in your hand, otherwise the cameras won't track you. And that's possible using the DJI Osmo Pocket in combination with an external microphone like I'm doing here. Make sure if you're using a selfie stick to get rid of the dead cat on top of your external microphone, because otherwise you might be able to see it in some corner. After recording this video, all the settings were left on automatic when it comes to voice recording. At the end of this video, I realized everything was not hearable at all. So make sure to go into the menu, into the Pro menu, and set the, how is it called? Volume amplification level to high to get better results. So is it worth buying the adapter or not? I think that the audio quality improved a lot once we were using an external microphone. By the way, all the external microphones, so as the adapter, so as the DJI Osmo Pocket, and the holder that I have here at the moment are listed in the video description below. If you're using the adapter every week for interviews, if you require a good audio quality, it's worth buying it. Otherwise, just use the internal microphone of the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is in my point of view not bad, but you can improve the audio quality by using an external microphone. What do you think about the microphone adapter? I'm really happy to hear from you. There's a lot of space below that video. Thanks for your attention and all the best from Frankfurt.